Hello, students. Let us continue our discussion on the chapter Direct and Inverse Variation. In the last class, we discussed problem based on time and work. So, we continue our discussion on the problem based on time and work. Let us see the first problem. A can finish a piece of work in 15 days and B can do it in 10 days. They work together for 2 days and then B goes away. In how many days will A finish the remaining work? So, if you summarize the sum, A and B working together for 2 days, then B leaves, and whatever the remaining work left that need to be completed by A, so we need to find out how many days will A require to finish the remaining work. So first we find out 1 day work of A equals to 1 by 15 since he complete the entire work in 15 days. Similarly, 1 day work of B equals to 1 by 10 since he complete the entire work in 10 days. So if they work together, then in 1 day A and B will finish 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 part of the work. If you simplify, you will get 1 by 6. That means if A and B work together for 1 day, they will finish 1 by 6 part of the work. Therefore, in 2 days, they will finish 2 into 1 by 6. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. That means in 2 days, they together finished 1 by 3 part of the work. So remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Now, for A, work and time is given. A in 1 day finish 1 by 15 part of the work. So, to complete 2 by 3 part of the work, he requires X days. We assume X is the time required to finish the work. Work increases, time increases. So, this is the problem based on direct variation. So 1 by 15 by 2 by 3 equals to 1 by x. So if you simplify, you will get 1 by 15 into 3 by 2 equals to 1 by x. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So 1 by 10 equals to 1 by x equals to x is equal to 10 days. So x equal to 10 days means A required 10 days to finish the remaining work. Now, moving into the next problem, A can do 1 by 4 of a work in 5 days and B can do 1 by 3 of the same work in 10 days. Find the number of days in which both working together will complete the work. So, 1 day work of A equals to 1 by 20 as he complete 1 by 4 in 5 days. Therefore, 1 day he will complete 1 by 4 into 5. Similarly, 1 day work of B equals to 1 by 30. So, if they work together, then they will finish 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30th part of the work, which is equal to 1 by 12th part of the work. Therefore, number of days required to complete the work equals to 1 by 12 days. That is reciprocal of 1 by 12, which is equal to 12 days. Next problem is, one tap can fill a cistern in 3 hours and the waste pipe can empty the full cistern in 5 hours. In what time will the empty cistern be full if the tap and the waste pipe are kept open together? So first we need to find out 1 hour work of one tap equals to 1 by 3 and 1 hour work of waste pipe equals to 1 by 5. Now through one tap the water is filling up and through the other pipe it is empty. So one tap and the waste pipe together 1 hour work equals to 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 5. So if you simplify, you will get 2 by 15. That means empty cistern will be full in 15 by 2 hour equals to 7 and 1 by 2 hour. Thank you student for watching this. Complete the assignment and submit it in the Google Classroom. Thank you class.